First question, the given figure shows the structure of neuron. Identify A, B, C, D and E in this given figure. Now this structure shows the neuron. Now here A, this A is dendrite. This B is a cyton, or you can also call this as a cell body. Now this part C is a Schwann cell. It's a very special type of cell. This D is the central part or the joining of the Schwann cell called as node of Ranvier. Then this E is called as synaptic knob. Now looking at this A dendrite, B cyton, C Schwann cell, D node of Ranvier and E synaptic knob among the given option. So correct answer is C, which is dendrite, cyton, Schwann cell, node of Ranvier and a synaptic knob. So correct answer among the given option is option C. Looking towards the next question, match the entries in column 1 with those in column 2 and choose the correct combination from the options given. Now column A is a part of brain and column 2 is the subparts. So diencephalon from column A consists of thalamus. So that's 4. Then B from column 1, that is telencephalon, consists of amygdala, that is 3. Myelencephalon, that is C, consists of medulla. And the last, that is D, metencephalon, consists of cerebellum, that is 1. Now looking at this point in the options A4, so we have A, C and E option which have this point. Then B3, so we have that in A as well as in C. C2, so it's not there in A but it's there in option C, and D1. So option C is the correct answer, which states the match entries like diencephalon, thalamus, telencephalon, amygdala, myelencephalon, medulla, and metencephalon, cerebellum. Next question. What is the correct sequence of the part of the eye that the light rays come in reaching the retina? Now, the retina is the important part of a light. Looking from the out part of the lens, where from the light rays will travel. So first it will pass through cornea, which is the outer part. Then from cornea it will pass through aqueous humor, which is the liquid region. Then pupil. Then it passes through lens, then vitreous humor, and then it reaches to retina. Now this retina is a part which gets the sensation of the light and through which we can see. So the traveling of the light passes from cornea to aqueous humor to pupil, lens, vitreous humor, and then it reaches to retina. Looking at the option which shows the correct sequence, that's option D, which have cornea, aqueous humor, then pupil, lens, and then the vitreous humor. So correct answer among the given option is option D. Looking towards the next question, question 4. The given diagram is that of human brain. Which function is performed by part labeled 3 in the diagram? So part labeled 3 is this area. And this is brain stem. This is nothing but brain stem. That is medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata regulates cardiovascular and the respiratory system. Thus, among the option, correct one is option C, that is regulation of heart muscles. And the last question, name the cranial nerves of human being, which is second, 7th, 8th and 9th. So we know that the second cranial nerve is an optic nerve. 7th cranial nerve is facial nerve. 8th cranial nerve is auditory nerve and 9th cranial nerve is glossopharyngeal. So among the given option, the correct name of the nerves given, optic. So it's there in A, B, A, C and D. Next, 8th is facial. So it's there in C as well as in D. Next, 8th nerve, that is auditory. So it's there in only option C. And last, glossopharyngeal. So among the given option, the correct option is option C.